DeepL versus Google Translate. Which AI translator is right for you? So, in today's globalized world, accurate and efficient translation tools are essential. Let's compare both to help you choose the best fit for your needs. Now, let's start with DeepL. So, DeepL was launched in 2017 and is renowned for its high quality translation, especially between European languages. Some of the key features: contextual accuracy. DeepL excels in capturing the nuances and context of sentences, producing more natural sounding translations. Neural network technology. So, it utilizes advanced AI algorithms trained on vast linguistic data. User friendly interface. So, offers an intuitive platform for both casual users and professionals. Now, talking about professionals, this is best for them, academics, and anyone requiring precise translations with contextual fidelity. And now we got Google Translate. So, since its inception, since 2006, Google Translate has become one of the most widely used translation tools globally. Key features: extensive language coverage, so it supports over 130 different languages, making it versatile for diverse translation needs. Multimodal translation, so offers text, speech, image, and real time conversation translations, and integration with Google's ecosystem, so seamlessly works with other Google services and platforms. Best for travelers, casual users, and those needing quick translations across various languages. Alright, so choose DeepL if you prioritize translation accuracy and contextual understanding, especially for European languages, or opt for Google Translate if you need a versatile tool with broad language support and multimodal translation capabilities. Both of these platforms offer unique strengths tailored to different user needs, so consider your specific requirements to select the one that aligns best with your goals.